What's up, everybody? My name's Rob Anderson. We're here on the Las Vegas Strip tonight with Dre and Deanna, all the way in from DC and Baltimore just to see my magic show. I'm flattered. You guys are gonna like this, all right? I'm guessing you guys are a couple.
That's my sister.
I feel awkward. I feel...
Such a liar.
Nah, yeah, that's my girl.
He's funny. He's a funny guy. It's good. All right, how long have you guys been together?
7 years.
No kidding, really. Congratulations on that. That's a big deal. I'll tell you what, that means about 7 years ago, you guys started going on some first dates, got to know each other, realized you liked each other, held hands, all that stuff. I want to take you back and let you remember early on in the relationship when you guys met each other and kind of started to fall in love, all right? We're going to do it with a card. Dre, I'm going to have you hold a hand out just like this towards Deanna. We're going to use a card. We use the Jack of Spades. I'm going to hand that to you, and Deanna, I'd like you to just place your hand on top of that card in Dre's hand. Perfect, so you guys are holding hands just like that. I think I've got a better card for you guys to have, actually. The heart, Ace of Hearts, represents love. We're talking about your love right now, so while we talk about that, I want you to feel that and that as we make those cards switch. Look.
Get out of here.
You should have the heart.
Get the hell out of here.
It's good for you guys. Hearts, love, you guys. I'll tell you what, thank you. I actually made a little prediction before I came out here. Made a prediction about meeting a compatible couple. You two seem compatible. I think this is going to work really well. I've got some other cards. I prepared these in advance. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, these are for queens, okay? That's all I'm going to tell you. I did something special with one. I don't want you to think I'm using sleight of hand or trying to change these in any way. So Deanna, I want you to hold these just with a palm up, just like I have them. I'll hand them to you, hold them just like that. Perfect. You are now holding 4 queens. Again, there's a prediction made on 1. I can't touch them, I'm committed. 2-part trick though, having to do with your compatibility. Deanna, Dre chose red. Those are hearts and diamonds. You can keep either one. Which one would you like to keep, a heart or a diamond? She wants a diamond.
Of course she does.
7 years, Dre, no pressure. I'm gonna take the pressure off really quick because I made a little prediction. No funny moves, I just want to show you I predicted one card. The card I thought you would say actually was the Queen of Diamonds, and that's why I turned it face up after taking it, no, for real, from a completely different deck of cards. I was so sure you would be compatible, I didn't bother to bring any other cards at all. There was only the Queen of Diamonds. I was pretty sure.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm glad that worked out, actually. Deanna, I would like you to think, just in your mind, of any happy memory you've made with Dre. I know there's a lot over the last 7 years. I'm not going to figure it out or tell anyone. Just think of a happy memory you've made with this man right here. When you've got that in mind, I just want you to think, you guys are in love. I love this. This is good. You guys are a good couple. I picked the right couple for this. I just want you to think approximately what time it happened, in the nearest hour, just 1 through 12. Just try to think 1 through 12 o'clock. Just think of that number in your mind, okay? And don't say it. 3, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You're thinking of one of the times on this clock. I've got to figure out what it is. I'm going to try to read your mind. Ready? Totally joking. It does nothing. I've got a fork that I stole from dinner earlier. I'm going to complete the clock with this fork like it's an hour hand. I am going to lay it at 5 o'clock, but it was not 5, it was 7 o'clock. It wasn't 7 o'clock though, was it? Watch. Watch the fork. 6 o'clock. Pick up the forks. The 6 o'clock card is the only one that matters right now. It's the only one we need. The 6 o'clock, no strings, no magnets. The 6 o'clock card represents a memory you'll always remember making right here in front of these fountains. Dre, would you agree that's an important card?
Very important.
When you're ready, I'd like you to show her what that card is. Whenever you're ready.
It's the way. It's this kiss, this kiss.
I'm shaking.
It's the